How to enable dark mode on Instagram updated. On this video, I will show you the exact step to turn on dark mode on Instagram app fast and quick. Step 1. Make sure your Instagram app is updated to the latest version. If not, just hit the update button and start the update. Step 2. Activate dark mode theme. Go to your Instagram app, tap your profile picture at the bottom, go to menu, select settings, and scroll to find accessibility settings. Then select dark mode and turn it on. Now Instagram app is on dark mode theme. So if you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.